Hello everybody, I'm Asad Zaman Biswas. Today I came again to have a discussion about a few things of JavaScript. Today I like to discuss about Windows properties of JavaScript. Today I like to discuss these two properties of JavaScript. One is your location, another one is the history. Okay, so let us discuss these two properties with example. So I'll write down here script, and language is your JavaScript. Okay, look, this is the starting of a script and this is the end of script, right? So why this location property is used? Location property contains the URL of the current web page, right? So let us see what it contains. Let us take this content of location property inside a variable. Suppose we give its name URL, and if you like to see what is inside URL, so we will write alert. Inside the alert we'll write URL, and let's see what is inside URL variable. Okay, so we will go to output. Look, we are getting the URL of the current web page. You are getting this URL, and same URL you are getting here. That means this location property is containing the URL of the current web page. Not only that, from this location property you also can know so many things, like your, if I use here, look, this property path name. If I use path name, then if I go to output, let us see what we are getting here. Look, we are getting the path information. That means where this page is located, right? D drive, JavaScript folder, and inside this folder this page is located. That means from this path name we can know the location of the current web page, right? Not only that, if we write here, if we like to know the protocol, what protocol this the protocol of the current website, right? Look, file, this is the before column, this is URL, before column we get the name of the protocol. Here we are getting the protocol is file. That's why we are getting on alert box file, right? In this way we can know so many things. Also we are not in domain, that's why we will not get this domain name right now. But if you write there is the host name, in that case this property will give you the name of the domain in which this web page is located, right? So this information we can gather from this location property, right? Now I like to discuss about history. Okay, so before discussing about it, let us make a link, hyperlink, right? So let us make a hyperlink here, href. Suppose the name of the page is next.html, right? So if we click on here, suppose page, if we click on here, then we will go to this page, next.html. So let us make this page. Okay, so I will copy this name and will open a new file. Okay, HTML file I like to create. Okay, so let's give its name new.html and save it. So let us save it here in the same location. We will save these two files in the same location, right? So okay, here, right? So what we like to write here, first your script tag, then your language is your JavaScript. Okay, great. A script. Now here this is the starting of a script and this is the end of a script, right? So what do we like to do here? We like to make a let us make a button. Okay, button, and on that button we will write what? We will write previous page, or whatever you like you can write. So if I click on here, then what will happen? We can make a function and give the name of the function here previous, and inside this function we will write down few codes using your JavaScript. Okay, so what is the name of the function? That is your previous, this is the starting of function, and this is the end, right? So what we write here, window, the property of window, that's we write here window, then we'll write history dot what? History dot back. Back method, we like to call this back method. Back methods will take us to the previous page, right? So let us check it. We will save it now. And we will go to this output. Let us check it. Okay, look, if I click on this page, I am going to this page, next page, right? And now if I click on here, oh no, there is some mistake I did. Let us check. Oh no, I wrote here on lar, it will be on click, right? So CLICK. Now save it. Okay, now go to here, get to your output. Okay, now I will click on here page. Look, I go to this page, next the HTML. Now I'll click on this button, and I am just it took me to the previous page. In this way I can go to the back page. Right now what I can do here, I can also make a button. Okay, great, make a button. Okay, and here you can write as value what? Forward or something like this. And this is also on click event. If we click on this button, then what will happen? We can write it down. Forward, this function will be called. So let us define this function here. Function name is forward. Okay, we can do one thing. If WD, we can give its name not directly. If WD, we can give this name. Okay, then we can give this name. So name is if WD. Okay, this is the starting of function and this is the end. Now what you will write? Window dot history dot, the method is forward, which will take us to the forward page, that means the next page. Okay, now let us check the output, whatever you wrote correct or not, right? So I will click on this page, go to this page. Now I will click on this button to go to the previous page. Okay, great, I go to the previous page, and I will click on this button to go to the next page. Oh no, it's not working. Mistake obviously. Oh no, here I did not give the bracket. That was the mistake actually. I did not give this bracket, that's why we are not getting the output. Now go to the output. Okay, if I click on this page, we go to this page. Now we will go to the previous page. So we clicked here, go to the previous page. Now we like to go to the next page, so we will click here forward. Look, we go to the next page. So in this way actually, using this history property, we can go to the previous page and to the next page, and it works just like the previous and forward button of your browser, right? So today after this I discuss these two properties of Windows. In next class I will discuss few more topics about your JavaScript. If you have any question, you can ask me through comments, and subscribe my channel to join with more discussions about JavaScript. So for today, goodbye everybody. Goodbye.